Today, the Georgia Supreme Court heard arguments in a case that could impact thousands of Georgians who live near the BioLab plant in Conyers. That's where fire prompted a massive chemical plume back in 2024. It led to shelter-in-place orders and residents' concerns about long-term health impacts. 11 Alive's Grace King explains what's at stake.
The chemical plume is long gone, but Conyers residents are worried there could still be lingering health effects from it. They want BioLab to pay for medical monitoring. At the state's highest court, a debate with big implications.
Is there some cause of action to where you can get relief without a present physical injury?
Justices are deciding whether state law allows a federal court judge to make BioLab pay for medical monitoring for people exposed to potentially harmful chemicals before they show signs of illness.
That claim is simply unprecedented under Georgia law.
Attorneys for BioLab told the court they believe this is more of a legislative issue than a legal one.
They're essentially asking for a remedy that would allow a trial judge to become a public health monitor. And in this case, the putative class covers potentially 2 million people.
But the plaintiff's attorneys say this case calls for a unique remedy.
These citizens faced an increased risk of serious, even deadly health complications.
Well, some Conyers residents say they showed symptoms right after the fire.
And she says, no, you see those white spots there? I can't exactly say they're burns, but they look like burns.
Others worry more about the future.
How's it going to impact us? How's it going to impact our kids?
They hope this legal case will give them the answers they're seeking.
The mental fear and living, knowing you were exposed to that, that's what we're fighting for. We're just trying to make sure that people are protected currently and in the future.
The state Supreme Court typically takes 6 to 8 months to issue their rulings, but the plaintiff's attorneys tell us they're hoping for a decision in July. In downtown Atlanta, Grace King, 11 Alive News.